A very sought after VW Tiguan, the 2-litre TSI R-Line 4Motion with a DSG gearbox on a 2019 69 registration and only 16,000 miles. Cracking car with a brilliant specification, lots of power, a good compact SUV, very reliable, and this being the facelift model has a brilliant look to it. It's an amazing car. They sell so well because it ticks every single box. Now from the front, this car has loads of extras, and I'll go through as much as possible. But the facelift model comes with that newer front end, the more sharper lines, the LED style daytime running lights, the beautiful chrome R-Line grille there. You've then got black sections around the corner of the bumpers and also the front splitter as well. Front fog lights, front rear parking sensors with parallel park assist, but then this car also has 360 view camera system. I've sold many Tiguans here, but I've not seen one with a 360 camera. That's a camera in the front, cameras in the side, and a camera in the back. This car has cruise control, but it also has adaptive cruise control. Being the R-Line, you've got the more aggressive, more refined, sporty front bumpers, the full wheel arch kit, side skirts, but then look at them wheels. You're talking 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with a great insert, and being the R-Line, it suits the car very, very much. It just gives it another sporty edge to it. Front and rear mud flaps, more R-Line badging, chrome window surrounds, sun protection glass. You've then got the roof rails, and then you've got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. When you're looking for these type of cars on the different platforms that may be eBay, Auto Trader, Car Gurus, or anywhere for that matter, look at the specification because there isn't many with all this, the big wheels, the sunroof. Check this out. The full Vienna sky grey leather interior. It's like a very dark grey, but it's black really, with the grey beading. The R embossed into the back of the seats, perforated seats, electric seats for the driver and memory for the driver. You've then got the touchscreen media system. You've got heated seats, dual zone climate control. That DSG gearbox with the paddle shift is absolutely awesome. The flat bottom steering wheel. And then another massive extra is the upgraded sound system. The Dynaudio Sound System, which gives the extra speakers in the door cards, in the front corner, in the middle of the dashboard. It just makes a massive difference. The quality of sound in this car is second to none. It's beautiful and it is very, very clear. You've got all the different drives set up down there. More extended lever on the door cards. The illuminated R-Line entry kick plate. Fully fitted mats in rubber front and rear. And like I said, although this is a compact SUV, you've still got lots and lots of space for all your family and friends. Let me show you something. Stay there for 1 second. Obviously, 3-point seat belts, ISOFIX attachments. I talk about all that because if you're buying a car like this, there's a good chance you might have a baby or a couple of kids, and the ISOFIX do make a difference, but then this makes a difference. This is really cool. And then the side of it, now if you have kids, trust me, it's things like this that really does make the difference because there's iPad holders there, they can put the little snacks on there, and if you go on a journey, this will keep them quiet, it will. This alone is enough to go, I'll have it. You've got like rear climate round here, more USBs. This centre armrest also comes down with more cup holders. But it's the way this car's been kept with 16,000 miles on, with a full glass roof, the back of the seat, the seat base, everything's in brilliant condition. Yes, it's second hand, and yes, it's done 16,000 miles. So you'll always expect a level of wear. But this is a very good example. We then put a full 12 months MOT on the car. If it's due a service within 6,000 miles in 6 months, then we'll service it as well before you get the car. It's just brilliant. More so because it's an R-Line. And then the extras that I've mentioned, the leather, the sound system, the panoramic roof, the 20-inch wheels, the 360 camera system. Round the back, you have the LED-style lighting system and the LED indicators as well. You've also got the automatic tailgate, which can be used off the key, or you press the handle just below. And then you have this very good space. Pushchairs, shopping, going away on holidays, suitcases. The seats go down, this shelf comes out completely. Detach it from that side and that side. Literally, give it a little pull, and now it's dog-friendly. It just doesn't get any better. The car, literally, is so versatile, it's so practical, and at the same time, it's awesome looking. I even like the colour because it's not silver and it's not grey. It's a bit in between, but it looks absolutely awesome. The VW Tiguans for years and years have been a fabulous car because they do what they're supposed to do. You know you can get in this car, start up every day. Close the door. Start up every day and just go for a drive and it won't miss a heartbeat, and that's what you want sometimes. Going back to the driver's cockpit, you've got the R-line flat bottom steering wheel with that grey stitching. Lovely bit of metallic finishing around the 3-spoke steering. The full digital dashboard, which is nice. It's up to date, it's modern with the different rev counters, and you can configure and change that as well by pressing some buttons here. So you can look at the audio side of stuff, but the one I like is this, because you can have the navigation display on there as well. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, your normal adjustments to the steering column, up and down, in and out. You've then got this lovely fascia inlay finish, which is like a dark grey finish around the centre console as well. Put it in reverse, and then there's your camera system. Real big thing this, it makes a difference. And then down here, near the gear shifter, you've got the different drive modes, depending on which sort of pattern you want to be in. So you can see the different normal, eco, sport, and you pick and choose. 2 keys, more cup holders in the front, centre armrest, which is leather wrapped, also lifts up with more cubby hole space. But for me, 16,000 miles, Tiguan R-Line 2-litre TSI is absolutely brilliant. Remember, 4Motion means 4-wheel drive as well. My name's Joe, my name and number is on the bottom of the screen. So if you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text, because like I said, it's not going to hang around for too long. Thanks for watching, bye-bye now.